All right, it's about time I show you guys what my office looks like. Here's the door. I do still want to like possibly paint something on this door. I think it'd be really cool. But I have two signs up right now. One says "Who needs Halloween? I'm a witch all year," and then this one that says "Happy Halloween," which obviously, I have Halloween. This one will stay up all year round, but I do need to switch this sign out. So let's open the door. I do want to say first, real quick, that my makeup desk is a mess. So I'll give you a little glimpse of that. It's still messy right now. I gotta organize it right after this video, and then I'll show you what it looks like more organized. And then same with another little area in my office. But while it's obviously clean at the moment, I want to show you guys what it looks like. So the theme of this room, I got a little piece of glitter right there and right there. So the theme of this room was obviously witchy, spooky vibes. And if you guys know me, that's totally my vibes. I love red and black together. So I got this really big, super comfy, fluffy, bright red rug. I'm hoping that the color shows up. There we go. And then I got a little couch in here because I do like to lounge in here and watch some TV at times. I'll just show you. And we'll start from like this wall. So this is the first wall over here. I have this super cute skeleton little wind chime from my best friend. Then I have the sign that says "Not all witches live in Salem. It's good to be wicked." I got this picture off of Amazon and it's like so creepy. This doll head right here creeps me out. But I freaking love it. And then I got this witch picture off of Amazon as well. And then I got a wicked sign. I can't remember where I got that from. These right here are one of my favorite things in my room. I got these bowls off of Amazon and put the little beads in it, the water beads. And then for my huge plant that I have in the living room, it always has little babies. So I stick my little babies in here until they root really big and then I can pot them. So here is just a closet in this bedroom. I have some like 2 black curtains up. Nothing too fancy going on in there. Bit messy at the moment, but my clothes are in this room. So over here, obviously, like I said, I have the couch, very, very comfy. I got these red pillowcases with the cute little pom-pom balls. I got them from Amazon. I got these 2 pillows right here from Killstar, as well as this blanket right here. Super comfy. I really like the blanket specifically just for like decor, but if I am cold enough, I will cover up with it. And then I have obviously white walls in the rest of my room besides this main black wall that I have. There are a few spots that I need to like touch up. But I have 2 shelves up. I have a hanging bath that I got for a few dollars at the thrift store. And I love the detail of these. I tried to do very good like details in this room, like pay attention to that. But these are all the little decors that I have up top. Sometimes I switch it around. But yeah, I got this made for me. From a lady on Instagram, a moon. I love it. I am thinking about adding 2 things like right here, like maybe painting something and putting them right there, or I might keep it plain. Let me know what you think. If you think it looks better plain, or if I should add a little art right there. This is what the other shelf looks like. And then I have this super cute thing I ordered off of like Facebook. I can't remember. It's got bats and then little gems on it. And then I have the star that I got from Killstar. If you can see, I want it to be like a spooky witchy forest theme. So I did the leaves right on top. And then around the room, as you can see, I have lights. I love it. So I guess I can do the top up here. I put a tapestry up here. One of my favorites. I love it so freaking much. Look how cool all that stuff is. I got this off of either Amazon or Romway, I think. So it's got like all of those awesome potion bottles and stuff. This is one thing that I am extremely proud of, that I love. I wanted like a black chandelier. So I got this. One of the lights sadly don't work, and I didn't want to, we already put it up and I didn't want to have to return it, but we just put these on. I got these cute little bows with skulls on it from the dollar store, but I just love the look of the chandelier. I feel like it goes so well with this room. And then over here, I have a little pyramid with the eye. Got this from Salem's Magic Shop. If you haven't seen my video, like review unboxing on that, definitely go check it out. Then I have a little table over here where I can set my drink when I sit down. So I have the Art of Magic potion making, books, and then my little tree, my glitter skull, a chapstick, this adorable, I need to repaint this, tea set from Killstar, and then a lantern, eat, drink, and be scary. I want to try to find a place to hang that up, but I haven't found one quite yet. And then down here, Matt, oh, let's sit down. Down here, Matt made me this. He painted this for me. It was just like a brownish color, so he painted it black. Obviously I should have dusted it before this video, but he painted it black and red, and it suits this room so well. My friend Rose got me this eat, drink, and be scary sign. I have a candle from Killstar, an oil diffuser, and my color changing salt. Okay, so I have this gorgeous clock right here. I'm pretty sure I found this at either Ross, Burlington, or Home Depot. Oh, right here it says. I don't really know where that price tag is from, but I love it. I don't think it's the right time. Maybe I should set that up. But I just have a view of my backyard back there. I have this really pretty money tree I got from my friend, and then my adorable little succulents, and then like a skull candle. Okay, these curtains are like another favorite part of this room. They are absolutely gorgeous. I know it's kind of hard to see, but let's see. Try to get it to where y'all can see it. So it's just so bright. Let's see, maybe if I close that a bit. So these are black, and they have this ruching, like drapingness to it, and they are super, super, super long. Like, look how pretty that pattern is. I just think it goes so freaking well with this room. I got these from Amazon as well. If you guys want me to link anything below that I have in this room that you're interested in, let me know. Okay, so next up are these shelves that I have up here. I'll back up and show you guys. So this part of the office, so obviously you've seen that part. This part of the office is the TV, some shelves, my makeup, then my crazy desk. So up here on top, I have a picture of 3 witches, my skull with a plant, some more decor that I need to organize, and then tons of makeup and all of this that I still have to organize. Over here on this wall, I have this super cute cat like charm, and I did the same thing with the leaves. And I do want to add some red roses up here. A naked witch on a broom. And then I have this little shelf right here with an amethyst on it and a candle. Let's see, trying to just show you all. I have all of this down here for giveaways and all that. But my TV right up here, and right above the TV, I have my bat shelf that I need to add more little decoration things to. I had some crystals on there before. And then behind the door, I have all of my makeup organization, and then some jewelry. And I have tons of jewelry I need to hang up on here. Got a skull picture, another skull picture, and my super messy makeup desk at the moment. I got this chair right here from the At Home store. I'm pretty sure either At Home store or I got it at what's that one place called? Not Michael's, Hobby Lobby, I think. And I freaking love it so much. And then I have a gray fluffy pillow for my back. So I painted this table. I will show you guys better once it's cleaned off. I painted down here. I did some red spray on it and then some black. Like I said, I'll show you up closer once I have it cleaned. And I wanted to wrap the leaves around it to kind of make it look like the forest is like coming out of the ground. And then obviously I did some black behind there, and then I used some black like tape stuff for that. Like I said, we'll talk about that in just a little bit. And then right up here, I wanted to make it look like I said, like a forest. And there, I love butterflies. My mom loves butterflies. So I stuck these red glitter and black butterflies right up on top. I'll show you what that looks like when you come in their room. So that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have like a little ring light right here that I use for my makeup videos. Again, I'll show you a little more details on all that. Maybe I'll do a video on like my makeup collection or something like that. But I have my little, like I said, place where kind of the diffuser's going off. It gives me some chill vibes. I love it. Yeah, this is like my happy place. Then I have some chicken soup for the like woman's soul and stuff like that, books down there, which I need to read because I love those. And then I recently did put in this really pretty, like I said, I love the little details. So I thought that was pretty cute. Yeah.